Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS IAM roles for applications using least privilege step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service from the AWS Services menu. In the left sidebar, select the Roles option. Click on the Create Role button to start the role creation process. Choose the trusted entity type for your role. Select AWS Service to specify that this role is for an AWS service. Choose the specific service that will use this role, such as EC2 or Lambda. Click on the Next, Permissions button to proceed. Now, you'll need to attach policies that define the permissions for this role. It's crucial to follow the least privilege principle. Use the search bar to find the needed permissions or policies. Select only the permissions that your application truly requires. Click on the Next, Tags button to add optional metadata for your role. If you want to add tags, enter key value pairs as desired. Otherwise, click on the Next, Review button. Review the role summary to ensure the settings are correct. Enter a descriptive role name, making it easy to identify its purpose. Optionally, you can add a role description for clarity. Click on the Create Role button to finalize the creation. Once created, you'll see the role in the roles list. Select the role to view its details. Make sure the permissions align with the least privilege principle. Edit the trust relationships if necessary, ensuring it trusts the correct service. To apply this role to your application, navigate to the service you chose earlier. Locate the settings for attaching IAM roles. Select the created role from the list. Save the changes to apply the role to your application. Test your application to ensure it functions as expected with the new role. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.